if you put two pieces in right here, and they're both really good, but and you clip in to each one individually. Now, if you take a fall right now, you're going to load each one of these pieces individually. So if this one blows, this one's taking the full amount of force. And if that comes out, now you're going to just put all that force onto that one right there. So there is a way, there's a couple ways, but there is a way, what we call equalizing, that you can use one of these runners extended to equalize these two anchors and distribute the force evenly between both of them. And you basically clip into there, and then you draw this crotch down between them. And here's the thing, most people would just kind of clip right into there, and it looks good. It's equalized in any one of these directions. I could clip my rope into here, and if I fell, it's gonna, you know, stress both of them equally. The only problem is let's just say this is a nut, and it blows, it can slide right off the end there. So to remedy that, the most crucial part about tying one of these is you got to put a little half twist in there. You see that? It's just you take one of these pieces and you put a half a twist in it. So now I can clip into this. And if just for some reason one of these pieces happens to blow, it locks down on it. Now, they're equalized as long as they're both there, but if one of them blows, you're going to shock load the other piece, which is also a bad thing. So what you can do to avoid that is pull this down right here. In your anticipated direction of fall, you line it up. So let's say, you know, obviously you're looking at a fall in this direction. You can put an overhand in it. Maybe. Put it right there. Now, I clip into it. It's equalized, and there's a mnemonic, serene, which means it's solid. You got solid pieces. It's equalized, which right now it's equalized. I'm pulling equally on both these pieces. It's redundant. I've got 2 points of contact here, and there's no extension, which means if one of these pieces fails, it doesn't extend and shock load the other piece. So for a 2-point anchor or for a 2-piece piece of pro as you're continuing to climb, this is probably the best way. That if you know this is your planned route and this is going to be your direction of fall, that this is the area it's going to be loading these pieces in, throw an overhand or a figure 8 in there, and you're good. Otherwise, you know, the other way, it's also equalized, but you get that extension if you do get one piece that fails.
What's more important when you're equalizing that?